Here's a happy thought for 2021. You're perpetually one click away from getting hacked. And I think we can all agree that that's not what you want to do in 2021. And one of the easiest steps you can take is simply installing a web content filter on your computer. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. I can tell when a website is shady just by looking at it. No, you can't. No one has the time to verify every single website that they visit, and the bad guys are counting on that. They've gotten very good at creating copycat websites or embedding malware onto existing hacked websites. And the bottom line is that they can fool even the most cautious web browsers. Luckily, web content filters are here for you. Just like your cat, except for they don't make you sneeze or, knock cups off of counters. What is a web content filter, you might ask? Web Content Filter is a service that keeps track of all known bad sites and blocks you from accessing them. This is especially true for companies that have folks working from outside their office. If you're looking for free home use, check out the comments for links to a couple good options. And I'm happy to help anybody out for the corporate tools as well. Even legitimate websites can still contain dangerous links to shady websites through their paid advertisements. So what is a cat? Seriously? Have you seen or visited any shifty sites lately? Let me know in the comments below, unless it'll get you fired, in which case you should probably just keep that to yourself.